Pro Rooter Septic is a family-owned company with over 30 years of plumbing experience in the Central Valley. You can find one of our plumbing vans or pump trucks between Fresno and Bakersfield any day of the week. We work 24/7, day or night, holidays and weekends included. We have the equipment and experience to handle all plumbing matters including residential, commercial, industrial, municipal, and agricultural. At Pro Rooter Septic, we specialize in septic tank pumping, installation and general maintenance, hydrojetting, drain clogs, leach lines, and much more. Customer satisfaction is our #1 priority. Call today and speak directly with a professional. We offer free estimates and same-day service. Call us today at 559-623-2340. We're fast, friendly, and guarantee the job will be done right the first time.